Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone is unlocked, on the same Apple ID, and near the Apple Watch. Open the Watch app on the iPhone and tap My Watch. Once done, verify both devices are updated to the latest iOS and watchOS. This avoids mismatch settings. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so the devices can communicate. Now, tap General, then Date and Time to begin the first actionable step of setting or syncing time between devices. You will now choose how the watch keeps time. If you want network accuracy, keep Set Automatically turned on. This uses your iPhone's carrier or network time. If you need the watch to show a different time, tap the option to add minutes and set the offset, for example, +5. Once done, change time zone when traveling by searching a city or allowing location access. Make sure to confirm changes and watch face updates immediately to reflect the new setting. Finish by checking the time across watch faces and complications to ensure consistency. If the time does not update instantly, restart both your Apple Watch and iPhone. This resolves most sync issues. Once done, if problems persist, go to the Watch app and reset sync data, which refreshes contacts and settings between devices. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch to the iPhone. This preserves backups and typically fixes stubborn time or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.